Hey beauties, how are you all? I hope you are fine. May God bless you all. Welcome to my channel Glam and Glow Organically. If you're tired of dealing with dry, flaky skin that just won't cooperate, then this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to wave goodbye to dry skin once and for all with a super effective, natural skincare routine. Whether it's harsh weather or just a lack of moisture, I've got the perfect solution to help you achieve smooth, hydrated, and glowing skin naturally. Dry skin can be a real struggle, leaving your face feeling tight, rough, and dull. But the good news is that with the right routine and natural ingredients, you can say goodbye to dry skin and hello to a radiant, moisturized complexion. Let's break it down step by step, starting with the foundation of any good skincare regimen: cleansing. Always opt for a gentle cleanser that's free from harsh chemicals and sulfates. A hydrating cleanser made with ingredients like aloe vera, honey, or chamomile will suit the skin while removing dirt and impurities without stripping away its natural oils. After cleansing, the next vital step is toning. Toners are often overlooked but can make a big difference for dry skin. Look for alcohol-free toners that contain ingredients like rose water or cucumber extract, both of which are highly soothing and hydrating. This step will help balance your skin's pH level and prepare it to absorb moisture more effectively. Hydration is key to battling dryness, and that's where a good moisturizer comes into play. Choose a thick, creamy moisturizer with deeply hydrating ingredients like shea butter, glycerin, and hyaluronic acid, which can attract and retain moisture in the skin. For extra nourishment, almond oil or avocado oil-based moisturizers work wonders by penetrating deeply into the skin and restoring lost moisture. Exfoliation is another critical step, but must be done cautiously. Overexfoliating can worsen dry skin, so stick to a gentle exfoliator once or twice a week. Natural scrubs made from oatmeal, rice flour, or ground almonds can be mixed with yogurt or milk for a soft, exfoliating paste. This will help slough off dead skin cells, allowing your hydrating products to penetrate deeper, leaving your skin smooth and fresh. Don't forget your SPF. Sun damage can exacerbate dryness and cause premature aging, so applying a sunscreen with moisturizing ingredients is crucial every morning, even on cloudy days. Look for sunscreens infused with aloe vera or jojoba oil to provide protection while keeping your skin soft. For an added layer of hydration, incorporate a facial oil or overnight mask into your routine. Oils like argan oil, jojoba oil, and vitamin E work as great sealants to lock in moisture. Apply a few drops after your moisturizer, especially before bed, to let your skin rejuvenate overnight. Alternatively, using an overnight mask made from natural ingredients like yogurt, honey, and mashed banana can help your skin recover while you sleep, making it softer and more hydrated by morning. Finally, keep in mind that staying hydrated from within is just as important. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day and incorporating hydrating foods like cucumbers, watermelon, and oranges can do wonders for your skin from the inside out. You can also indulge in homemade hydrating masks once or twice a week, such as an aloe vera and honey mask, which can instantly boost your skin's moisture levels and leave it feeling smooth and supple. With a consistent skincare routine, packed with moisture-rich ingredients and natural remedies, your skin will feel soft, nourished, and glowing in no time. Say goodbye to the discomfort of dry skin and hello to a new level of hydration and radiance naturally and organically. And that's it, guys. With these simple yet powerful steps, you can transform your dry skin into a glowing masterpiece. Consistency is key, so follow this routine and let your natural beauty shine through. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more natural beauty tips. Stay glowing, take care of yourself, your family, people around you, and spread love, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.